Hey there, it's Craig from Toivo Healing From Within. It's been a while, and like everything in 2020, everything just seems to be constantly changing. And I just wanted to share with you a little bit about where I'm at and how this music stuff fits in with my healing and sanity practice. So we've all been kind of lumped into this incredibly stressful collective consciousness from all the things that are going on in health and our society and in politics, and it just keeps getting more wound up. And my healing practice starts and ends with music, whether it's listening to music or playing music. I am constantly surrounded by that and soothed by it, and I hope this does the same for you. I'm going to share a couple of newer instruments with you. This is a log drum and made out of wood. And then this is a beautiful Kalimba or mbira that was a gift to me from my 95-year-old friend. So I'm going to start with the log drum and then layer in some Kalimba over that. So enjoy, breathe, listen, and relax. 3, 2, 1. Boy, does this stuff make me feel good when I do this. And I hope it brings you joy when you listen. And hopefully you'll find an instrument or something around the house to tap on when you experience these videos. Enjoy the day. Namaste.